Hello. Today we'll talk about interesting feature of PDF testing and validations using AI agents. So without further ado, let's go. In the Salesforce ecosystem, PDF testing could range from your vanilla invoices all the way up to configure price code CPQ implementations. And there are three challenges which teams generally face in my experience. The first is structural changes. So, for example, one of our recent customers highlighted that they had to check for the structure of their PDF tables and values with every release. Second is data changes. Let's say you change a backend API implementation and need to validate that the PDF generated has the right total amount value based on the response from the API. And last but not the least is if you change the HTML implementation or the front end of an application, and let's say you have a print invoice button which takes care of not just UI testing but also generates the PDF. Now, based on these changes, your PDF validation would still need to go through regression testing. So let's see in this video how we can solve each one of these using natural language and AI agents. Now that we know the challenges with PDF testing and validation, let's quickly see how we can solve them using AI agents. Over here on our demo website, we have multiple HTMLs and PDFs, and let's say our use case is that we would need to click on a certain PDF link, and then on the PDF we have to validate a couple of items. For example, it could be the Sunny Farm logo at the top, the total value, or even the value of items in the table. All of these can be interestingly validated using natural English language tests on TestViews. So let's see how to do that. On the TestViews platform, we have written a small test case. Let's quickly go through it. It says, given I navigate to the sample website and I click on the first PDF option under invoices section, and this will trigger a download. And then I verify downloaded index.pdf PDF with the Sunny Farm logo on the first page. So here our agent will actually look at the PDF and validate that it sees the Sunny Farm logo. And I confirm that the downloaded PDF contains total as $39.60. Now this could be any value on the PDF or the invoice, or this could even be extended to the tabular validations. Now running this test case is as simple as just writing it in natural English language and then clicking live test. Now while this test case runs within your browser without any code or configuration or setup, let's look at one of the past runs that we had recently done for the same test case. So as we can see, one test case is running and the other one had recently passed. Over here, we'll find all the artifacts related to the test case from the top to the bottom. Very quickly, the test case, as we can see, has passed. There's a small video of the execution so that you can debug it. And then if we look at the execution timeline, we can easily find that not only it has the right values, it has the Sunny Farm logo as well. At the bottom, we also get a Playwright browser trace viewer for quick debugging or validation. Also, we can see that as part of the artifacts, we will get the PDF file which was downloaded for this validation. So that is how, using AI agents and natural English language, we can very easily validate the PDF, not just for its logo and images, but also for precise values. And that is how you can perform PDF validations using AI agents on the TestViews platform. As we saw, it is not just faster, it is much simpler using natural English language commands. Earlier, what could have taken multiple libraries and a whole lot of code to download, decipher and validate PDFs can be done using natural English language and the power of AI on the TestViews platform. Thanks for staying with us and learning about PDF testing. If you want to try it out yourself, just go to our website and start a free trial. Thank you and bye-bye.